And this is going to be something you want to see. He is strong, he is lean, he is mean, he's got more abs than I've ever seen. Reese, how you feeling, my man? Thumbs up from Reese. Let's get behind him, folks. Cheer for Reese.
Reese is about to take his run here. Reese had an injury a few days ago where he had stitches on his hand. You can see his left hand wrapped up, but that will not stop him on this course.
The man has stitches in his hand right now, but he just gloved it up because he is able to get it done, and we're getting behind him. Let's get it done, Reese.
Reese came out here last year. He was one of the fastest competitors.
Oh my! Now you know why I say you need to watch Reese on the stitches, but he's still getting it done. Hand has stitches on it, you guys. That's not a joke. He really does.
Reese and I were talking about this obstacle earlier. He was nervous about it, but he
What? With the stitches, he's still getting it done.
He's going to be only a junior in high school coming up this year.
How is he getting it done with the stitches in his hand? To the trapeze guard, it hurts me just to look, but Reese is strong. He's working through it. He is working towards some fast time out here, folks.
Reese.
Let's hear it.
He's going right up the wall.
All right, you guys, here we go. Beat that wall. Beat that wall. People loving it. Reese Bakery. Flex on him up there. Reese, show him the guns.
What just
Yeah, Reese. We love it.
What just happened out there? We just saw a 16-year-old wipe out the entire competition in 57 seconds. That's almost 30 seconds faster than any other athlete today.
Reese Pancras. Wow. Blowing minds out here. Only a junior in high school.
Unbelievable.
With stitches in his hands, folks. That's unreal.
I don't know about that. You know what, Grant? I think we have to retire in the next 6 years because by the time he's out on the show, we're going to be in trouble.
I can't hang with that, man.
I don't know about that.
I'll be leading the Ninja Warrior Swim team, if you know what I'm saying.
Hey, Grant and Joe. Grant and Joe, I gotta interrupt you real quick because I'm here talking to Reese. Reese, I'm sneaking up behind you.
Reese doesn't even know he's
I
behind.
ninja'd my way up to him. That's how we do. Reese, walk me through what just happened, man. Setting the course record, you murdered this entire course. What was your strategy going into it?
I just had everything planned out right before I went through, and that seemed to work out for me, so.
I mean, in addition to the physical, which you obviously had, the mental was on point. Was there at any moment in this course did you think it slipped up and you weren't going to be able to set the record?
Right at that cargo net, or the, whatever that is over there. That messed me up a little bit, but it's a little sketchy.
Big Dipper is sketchy, but you killed it, man. Seriously, props to you. You're getting stronger and faster every single year. Let's give it up one more time for Reese.
All right, folks. And if you thought Reese was exciting, because he definitely was, his training partner, Trevor West, is up next.